Today we are going to discuss chapter 5, comparing quantities using proportion. In that exercise 5.3, 7th question, find compound interest, simply that is CI, paid when a sum of rupees 10,000 is invested for 1 year 3 months at 1/2 percentage, 8.5% per annum, compounded annually. Okay, Nana. Now see the solution. Given data, given what is the principal, Nana? The principal is equal, principal P is equals to rupees 10,000. Rate of interest R is equals to what, Nana? That is 8/1/2 percentage, 8.5%. So that's why you can write it as 2 8s are 16. 238 ని multiply చేయండి. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1 17. So you can write it as 17/2%. అంటే rate of interest per annum, that is 17/2%. Time period, time is equals to 1 year 3 months. Okay, we know compound interest, it allows interest on interest. Compound interest means what, Anna? It allows interest on interest. మనకి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ మీద కూడా మళ్ళీ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో now see, first of all I am going to find the interest. Interest is equals to, that is PTR by 100. Okay, so here principal means that is 10,000 into time. Time is equals to, first of all I am taking 1 year. Actually time is given 1 year 3 months. First of all I am taking 1 year. Okay, now time 1 year into rate of interest. R means what, now? That is 17/2 by 100. Okay, now see Amma, here down 2 zeros, here 2 zeros cancel. 2 ones are 250 sir, 100. 2 ones are 250 sir. So we can write I is equals to, that is 50 into 1 into 17, 17. Now 17 5s are what, now? 17 5s are 85. 0 is there. So 17 into 50 means that is 850. So we get interest is equals to 800. Interest is equals to 850. Now I want amount. Amount is equals to, that is principal plus interest. Amount is equals to what, Nana? That is principal plus interest. So amount is equals to principal means 10,000 plus interest means that is 850. So amount is equals to 10,850. Okay, this is what, Nana? Case 1. This is case 1 lo we get amount is equals to 10,850. Now 3 months ki calculate చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. Next case 2. Case 2, actually amount is equals to, in case 2 amount becomes what, Nana? Amount becomes principal, that is 50. Okay, actually in case 1 amount is equals to 10,850, but it becomes in case 2, that is the principal. Okay, now time is equals to 3 months. So I am going to write here 1 year is equals to 1 year is equals to 12 months. Okay, so if I write months ni ela rayachu, if you transpose 12 like this, 1 month is equals to, that is 1 by 12th year ga rayachu. So that's why I am writing here 3 months. 3 months ni ela rastunna, that is equals to 3 by 12 years. Ante 3 1s are 3 4s are, that is equals to time period equals to 1 by 4 years. Is it clear? Now rate of interest. Rate of interest is equals to 8 1 by 2 percentage, that is equals to 17 by 2 percentage. Now again I am finding interest. Interest is equals to PPR by 100. So you try to observe, children, actually the principal amount is 10,000 only. In case 2, after 1 year the additional amount 850 also adding into the in second case principal, and we are earning interest on interest. So that is the compound interest actually. So now principal, that is what now, 10,850 into time is equals to what, that is 1 by 4. Okay, actually 3 months ఇచ్చాడు, దాన్ని ఇయర్స్ లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తే 3 by 12 ఇయర్స్, అంటే 3 1s are 3 4s are, so that is 1 by 4 into rate of interest what nana, that is 17 by 2 by 100. Okay, now see 0 0 0 0 cancel అయిపోతుంది. I am using 5 table యూస్ చేస్తున్నాను. 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5 means 8 లో 5 మైనస్ అయిపోతే 3 ఉంటుంది, beside number is 5 అంటే 35, 5 7s are 35. Okay, so we can write it as 217 into 1 into 17 means that is 17 by 4 2s are 8 by 2 is there. Is it clear, students? 217 means 217, 1 into 17 means 17 by down 4 2s are 8 by 2. In next case you can write here 2 by 1. 217 into 17 means what, nana? 217 into 17, 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7 plus 4 means 11, 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15, 1 7s are 1 2s are 1 1s are 1 2s are, so 9 8 6 3. So that is what, nana? 3689. 3689 by 8 into 2 by 1 reciprocal what, nana? That is 1 by 2. Now you just multiply, then what happened? I is equals to 3689 by 8 2s are what, now 16. So you just cancel it by doing actual division. 3689 divided by 16. 16 2s are 32 వస్తుంది, మైనస్ చేస్తే 4. Okay, next 16 3s are 48, మైనస్ చేస్తే 0 వస్తుంది. సో నెక్స్ట్ క్యారీ డౌన్ 9. 16 1s అంటే 9 క్రాస్ అయిపోతుంది, సో దట్స్ వై 16 0s are 0. సో మైనస్ చేస్తే 9 వస్తుంది. యు టేక్ హియర్ పాయింట్ అండ్ టేక్ హియర్ 0. నెక్స్ట్ 16 6 are 96 వస్తుంది. సో దట్స్ వై యూ కమ్ బ్యాక్. 16 5s are what, now that is 80 మైనస్ చేస్తే we get 10 వస్తుంది. Point means again take 0. 16 6 are 96 మైనస్ చేస్తే 4 వస్తుంది. సో అప్రాక్సిమేట్ గా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ is equals to we get 230.56 వస్తుంది. Is it clear students? So in case 1 మనకి కేస్ 1 లో వచ్చిన ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఏంటన్నా, ఇప్పుడు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఇలా వచ్చింది. సో దెన్ అమౌంట్ is equals to what? That is principal plus interest. Principal means that is 10,850 plus interest means we are getting 230.56. Then adding means మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది 56 0 3 plus 5 8 2 plus 8 10. So that is 11,080.56. We are getting amount is equals to what nana? 11,080.56. So we want compound interest kavali ante compound interest is equals to, in case 1 we get 850 and in case 2 also we get interest, that is 230.56. when we are going to add these two, that is 0 3 plus 5 8 2 plus 8 10. So the compound interest is equals to 1080.56. okay na students? So this is the required answer for the question. Thank you.